Hello traders. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So today I am going to share with you best trading strategy. We open GBP USD in H1 time frame. Another strategy that you can combine with the Supertrend is with the Kumo cloud. So the Kumo cloud is basically just an Ichimoku cloud indicator. That you disabled all the parts except the two lead lines. And I'm also going to change the color, so that it's easier to look at. So now we have the Kumo cloud. The rules of the Kumo cloud is very simple. If the price is above the Kumo cloud, take buy signals. But if the price is inside the clouds, you don't take any positions. We place buy trade here. Supertrend and Kumo cloud indicator formed buy trade confirmation. So we place buy trade here. Stop loss set candle low point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. And if the price is below the Kumo cloud, you only take sell signals. Here we place sell trade. Supertrend and Kumo cloud indicator form sell trade confirmation. So we place sell trade here. Stop loss set candle high point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.